1, 2, 3.
Currently standing on the newly finished Queen Creek Bridge at El Camino Viejo Road.
It's the exciting culmination of a 1.5-year project, and we are now at the point where we are opening the bridge back up, and our town is very excited.
This is approximately a $1.7 million project with a $1 million grant from Federal Highways. There was a project that involved ADOT, F&F contracting, all the different facets of ADOT's consulting, the county, and the community of Queen Valley.
This bridge is part of a U-shaped roadway system to our town. Originally, it was the only way in and out of this town.
The way this one's built, it's really overbuilt. But I think 100 years from now, I don't think anybody's going to be salvaging any of this because it doesn't have the charm that the old one had.
We did have to remove a 100-year-old bridge. So knowing how important it was to the community and everyone around here, we did do our best to achieve a similar look by putting a small arch to this bridge. And we also salvaged some of the railing parts and gave it to the Queen Valley Historical Society and the Superstition Mountain Museum so that they could take those pieces and put them for the public to see in the future.
We have not been able to get a fire truck across this. It just was not structurally safe. It impacted our response times terribly and put people at more danger than they needed to be.
All emergency vehicles, weight-wise, can now travel this road. There really is no weight limits to this road anymore. It does take a great partnering to make it a successful project. And I'm very proud of this project and want to thank everybody that was involved.
It's all people have been talking about for the last 6 months. So thank you for all of your hard work on our behalf.